Hi, this is Alicia with Palo Alto City Library, and today for our craft I'm going to show you how to make a reindeer ornament with just a few craft supplies. All right, let's get started. Reindeer craft. We will go over the materials and then we'll get started. So you'll need 2 pieces of cork, a brown pipe cleaner, some thin ribbon. This is green 1/8 inch ribbon, but you can use any color you would like. This is 1/8 inch. You probably can use a half or a quarter. This is a bell. We've got a gold bell, 2 googly eyes, a pom-pom nose. This is kind of small. You can use a bigger pom-pom nose. You can use black or brown or red, some scissors, and our hot glue gun. All right, so the first step, I'm gonna move everything over. The first step is to glue the 2 pieces of cork together. So we'll do that first. So one piece of cork will be the neck and the other one will be the head. And it's up to you which one to use for which. I think I'll use this one as the neck. So you take some glue and put a nice healthy amount of hot glue right there. And then you take the head and then you just glue it on top and press it for like probably 10 seconds while the glue sets. And then I like to have the back of the head hang off a little in the back. But you can put it right up against if you want to, but I like it to stick out a little bit. All right, so there we've got the neck and the head of the reindeer. Next part is we're going to glue on the eyes, and those are going to go on both sides of the head. So we'll put one over here and then one over here. All right. So we got our googly eyes. And then what I like to do is put a little spot of glue where I want the eyes to go. So I'll put one here. And then I want to kind of put them, actually I'm going to put them a little closer together. You can put them far apart. So those two, so I just pick up the glue, the googly eye, and just stick it right on the little glue. Spot of glue, and then there's the other one. All right. And this glue dries quickly, cools quickly, so there you go. You've got your cute little head starting to form there. Okay, then we'll do, we'll save the nose for last. We're gonna go ahead and do the antlers. This part is a little more tricky. We're gonna take our brown pipe cleaner and then fold it in half like a V. So bend it in half so that you get like the letter V. And then on one side, I'm gonna do the right side first. We're gonna kind of make a zigzag, but a big loop type of zigzag, a backward S. So we're gonna go off to the left and then go off to the right, and then we'll make the top straight again. Here, I'll show you what I did. There you go. Okay, so you see how we went that way and then straight up. It's like a backwards S. We can move this one out of the way. We're not using that right now. And then we take it and then we smush it down together, and we take this straight part that's sticking out and we fold it down and around so that it kind of grabs all of the pipe cleaner. Fold it down and around and back up again. There. So it looks like that. So you see it went that way, and then looped up and around. And we'll do that same thing to the other side. So I just use your finger, bend, bend, bend to the left, bend, bend, bend to the right, and then we have the part sticking up. And then we'll take the little straight part and go all the way, loop it down, twist it down and around. And it's totally okay if both sides look the same. I mean, don't look the same. They're gonna look different, and that's okay. And there's our antlers. Look at that, it looks great. Yeah, so see, one of mine is bigger than the other, but that's okay because all antlers are different, and that's okay. All right, so we've got our antlers. Those are gonna be glued on the back of the head of our little reindeer. So this one, be very careful because we don't want to get any hot glue on our hands. We're going to put some glue right there, and then we're going to take the antlers and we're just going to kind of hold it there for maybe 20 seconds. Okay, ready? And a healthy amount, a large amount too. A nice big, there we go. Not that much glue. Take the antlers and then press it down. Just kind of hold it there. You can also kind of prop your, I don't know, it might tip over. If you have something to lean it against, that works too, or you could just hold it there. After it's dried, all completely dried, you can move your antlers around and position them however you like, but for right now, just leave it so that the glue can dry. Okay, now that our antlers are nice and dry and the glue has hardened, it's time to tie on the ribbon and the bell. So you want to take the bell and the ribbon. This is why it's easier to have thinner ribbon. So this is why I have the 1/8 inch, because you can feed it through the bell, the hole on top of the bell easily. If you have a thicker ribbon, you might need like a little, maybe you can use the end of a paper clip to help feed it through, but you just put the ribbon through, and then we're going to tie it around the antlers. All right, so we have it about in the middle, right in the middle, the bell in the middle, and then we'll tie to the front so that the antlers right there, I mean the bell is right in front of the antlers, and then tie it around, and then do a knot in the back. Not too tight, so that the bell can jiggle around. Not too tight, but not loose either, just right. All right, like that. And then the bell's in the front. You can hear it. And then we'll take the ends and then just tie the ends together. It depends on how long you want it. I'm gonna do mine. I cut a lot of green ribbon, so I'm gonna take a lot off here. And that's when we need our scissors to cut off the extra ribbon. So I just tied a knot there, cut off our extra. All right, now we have something to hang it. You can hang it by the ribbon to decorate. So last step is to put on our nose. It's time for the nose. And for the nose, I have a really small piece of pom-pom, so I only need a tiny bit of glue. If you have a bigger pom-pom, you can add a little bit more glue, but I just need a little tiny one. Put it at the top, the upper part of the cork, and then just take your pom-pom and glue it on. And that dries pretty quick. That cools down pretty quick. And there you have your little reindeer ornament. You've got the antlers, ears, the nose, the bell. Shake it up, and you can use it to decorate for the holidays. And now that you know how to make one, you can make a whole group of reindeer like I have here. All different kinds. All right, thanks for joining me today and making our reindeer craft together.